Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you some of the damage done by Hurricane Melissa. And we are going to talk about Jamaica needing modern functional towns. Now, one thing that Hurricane Melissa highlighted was a lot of Jamaica's towns are old. Infrastructure old, outdated, and when the hurricane hit, it caused such devastation that these some of these towns, like Black River, become ineffective. And so the Prime Minister said hurricane recovery must be a catalyst to address long-standing development constraints. The Prime Minister said Jamaica needs modern, functional towns. And as they rebuild after Hurricane Melissa, the towns must be improved with modern infrastructure. So we are going to give you an update on what's happening here. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says Jamaica's recovery from Hurricane Melissa must be used as a catalyst to address long-standing development constraints while advancing national priorities such as economic growth, public safety, and social stability. The crisis should be seen by all Jamaicans as an opportunity for us to rebuild, but not what was there before, because what was there before is a constraint on our development, the Prime Minister said. He explained that the hurricane exposed structural weaknesses that have limited growth over time, particularly in relation to infrastructure layout and urban planning. Pointing to congestion as a major development challenge, Dr. Holness noted that the size of the roadways that we have within these areas and how congested they are, that's a constraint on our development. The Prime Minister stated that the rebuilding process must therefore focus on creating modern, functional towns that better serve residents and businesses. Now is an opportunity for us to rebuild towns where people can actually move without congestion, where there is adequate sidewalk and parking and things that we all want as modern conveniences, he emphasized. Alright, that's the end of the update. So, the roads are a major problem, but another problem is that too many of these old towns have historic sites in them, and it is so difficult to modernize a building when it becomes a historic site. It's so difficult that many of these buildings, and Spanish Town is an example, many of these buildings have no roof, no windows, but nothing is done because they're historic sites, they have to be restored to what they were before, and it's very expensive. Some of these buildings need to be just demolished and modern structures put there. So as Jamaica rebuilds, they are going to use better urban planning. Well, I shouldn't say better, because let's take, for example, Black River, a town built hundreds of years ago. When that town was built, it was one of the most modern in the Caribbean. It was one of the first towns in the Western Hemisphere to have electricity. The same way Jamaica once had one of the best railway networks in the Western Hemisphere. But over time, the towns became kept building and became congested, and then they weren't upgraded, the structures weren't changed to modern buildings, and they just weren't modernized, and the urban planning didn't grow with the towns. So you have a lot of old towns, and this is a problem all around Jamaica. A lot of the towns are built on the coast because when they were built, shipping or traveling by sea was the only way of travel, basically. So you have a lot of coastal towns in Jamaica. Lucy is another one that is a coastal town that needs to be rebuilt. And if a hurricane was to ever come ashore in Lucy, it would create devastation far worse than Black River. So, as the Prime Minister said, Jamaica needs to rebuild with towns that are modern and functional. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.